Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a delicious paneer butter masala. So let's get started. Okay, now let's see how to make this delicious paneer butter masala. Here I have taken a pan to which I have added a tablespoon of butter. Once your butter is all melted, let's add 1 chopped onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 pieces ginger, 2 green chilies, 2 big tomatoes chopped, 8 to 10 cashews, salt and half tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now mix everything until well combined and let's cover this and keep it for like 5 minutes, and then in between keep on mixing until it's soft and well cooked. Now that your mixture is all soft and well cooked, let's keep it aside for it to cool down. Once your mixture is cooled down, let's make a puree or a paste out of it. After you're done with that, keep this mixture aside and let's prepare the paneer. Here I have taken a pan to which I'll be adding butter. And once the butter is all melted, I'll be adding 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves and 1 small piece of cinnamon. Along with this, I'll be adding the spices. Here I have half teaspoon turmeric powder, chili powder as per your taste, half teaspoon garam masala powder and half teaspoon jeera powder. Jeera powder depends upon whether you want it or not, but once you add the jeera powder, it tastes amazing. Now into this I have added small cubes of paneer, which is also known as cottage cheese, and I'm going to give it a good mix until the paneer is cooked so that the paneer does not break. Now into this I'll be adding the puree or the paste we made earlier. Along with that I'll be adding some water. Here the water depends upon how thick or thin you want your gravy to be, so you can adjust the quantity of water. Now once this has come to a boil, I'm going to add kasuri methi here. This depends upon if you like the taste of kasuri methi, because I personally like it, so I'm going to add a lot. Along with that I'm going to add salt as per taste. Again, you don't have to add it if there is enough salt in yours. I am also going to add some fresh cream here. I have taken like a cup of fresh cream. This also varies according to your taste. Now I'm going to mix these two ingredients together and also adding some coriander leaves and again giving it a good mix. Once you're done with that, it means you're done cooking. So our paneer butter masala is ready. As you can see, it looks tasty, it looks amazing. This goes along with mainly everything like naan, chapatis or anything like that. These are so tasty. I would 100% recommend this to you. Hope you all try this out and make sure you comment down below how it turned out, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Bye!